When people think about tech ecosystems, they usually think about giants like Apple, Google, Microsoft, or Amazon. These companies don't just build one product. They create entire ecosystems of apps, services, tools, and communities that work together. But what if I told you there are much smaller tech ecosystems quietly growing beneath the surface? Today we're exploring small tech ecosystems that most people have never heard of, and why some of them could become much bigger in the future. A tech ecosystem is more than just a company with a single product. Instead, it's a collection of connected products, services, tools, or communities that support each other. For example, Apple has the iPhone, Mac, iCloud, Apple Music, Apple TV, and many other services. Each product becomes more useful because it's connected to the others. The same idea can exist on a much smaller scale. Many of today's biggest technology companies started with a single product and slowly expanded. Small ecosystems are often where innovation happens first. Because they're smaller, they can experiment faster, take more risks, and build unique solutions. Some remain small and profitable. Others grow into major technology companies. One interesting example is Replit. It started as a simple online coding platform. Over time, it expanded into hosting, collaboration, AI-powered coding tools, deployment services, and app publishing. What began as one tool slowly evolved into a larger ecosystem for developers. Another example is Supabase. Supabase started as an alternative to Firebase. Today, it offers databases, authentication systems, file storage, serverless functions, AI integrations, and much more. Developers can build entire applications using the Supabase ecosystem alone. Ghost is another fascinating example. Most people know WordPress, but Ghost quietly built an ecosystem focused on publishing. It provides blogging tools, memberships, newsletters, subscriptions, analytics, and monetization features. For many creators, Ghost has become an all-in-one publishing platform. When we look at these companies, we notice something interesting. They didn't start with 10 products. They started with one, then they improved that product, gained users, and gradually expanded. That's often the difference between a collection of projects and a true ecosystem. A successful ecosystem usually grows around a strong core product. One example of an emerging ecosystem is Scybud. Scybud is an independent technology brand focused on creating multiple digital products under a single vision. Instead of concentrating on just one website or application, the goal is to build a network of useful products that serve different audiences. While still in its early stages, Scybud already includes several projects. Some projects within the Scybud ecosystem include Zfeed, a platform focused on technology news and summaries; LogHue, a productivity-focused project that helps users manage tasks and collaborate with teams; Canvart, a space where artists can share and showcase their creative work; and RushSite, a platform that helps users create and publish portfolio websites more easily. At first glance, these projects may seem unrelated, but they share a common philosophy: making digital tools simpler, more accessible, and easier to use. Rather than building complex platforms with countless features, the goal is to create focused tools that solve specific problems while remaining part of the broader Scybud ecosystem. Building a tech ecosystem sounds exciting, but it's incredibly difficult. Many ecosystems fail because they spread themselves too thin. Too many products can mean too little focus. Without users, even the best ideas struggle to survive. The biggest challenge isn't building products. It's building products that people actually use and return to. The future of technology may not belong only to giant corporations. Small ecosystems built by independent developers, students, and small teams are becoming more common every year. With modern tools, cloud services, and artificial intelligence, it's now possible for a single person to build products that once required entire companies. The next successful tech ecosystem could start from a bedroom, a dorm room, or a small personal project. Most people only notice technology companies after they become successful. But every ecosystem starts somewhere. Whether it's Replit, Supabase, Ghost, or emerging ecosystems like Scybud, they all begin with an idea and a willingness to keep building. The real question isn't whether a small ecosystem can grow. The question is, which one will become the next success story? Thanks for watching.